5 surprising uses of vinegar in your garden. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the garden. Today we're exploring how vinegar, a pantry staple, can be a gardener's best friend. From weed control to boosting plant health, vinegar is incredibly versatile. These tips are easy, effective and budget-friendly. So, grab your vinegar and let's discover its magic in your garden. Let's tackle one of the most persistent gardening challenges, weeds. They can quickly take over your garden, stealing nutrients and sunlight from your precious plants. Instead of harsh chemicals, use ordinary vinegar. It's a safe, natural alternative that you probably already have in your kitchen. The acetic acid in vinegar dries out weeds, effectively killing them. This method is not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. Use undiluted white vinegar in a spray bottle and target the base of the weeds. Make sure to thoroughly soak the weed for the best results. Apply on a sunny day for best results. The heat from the sun helps to enhance the vinegar's weed-killing properties. Vinegar works best on young, small weeds. It's less effective on larger, established weeds, so early intervention is key. Avoid spraying on desired plants to prevent damage. Vinegar is non-selective and can harm any plant it touches. With care, vinegar can safely keep weeds at bay. Simple, natural and effective. Enjoy a beautiful, weed-free garden without the use of harmful chemicals. Now let's address garden pests like ants, aphids, slugs and snails. Vinegar acts as a natural deterrent with its strong aroma. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. For ants, spray their trails and entry points. For other pests, spray around the base of your plants. Avoid direct contact with leaves to prevent foliage burn. Reapply regularly, especially after rain. Keep your garden pest-free with vinegar. Next, let's tackle those rusty garden tools that have been neglected for too long. Vinegar's natural acidity makes it a powerful and eco-friendly rust remover. Simply soak the rusty tools in vinegar for a few hours, or for best results, leave them overnight. After soaking, scrub away the loosened rust with a brush or steel wool. This step is crucial for removing all the rust. Rinse the tools thoroughly with water to neutralize the vinegar and wash away any remaining rust particles. Once clean, apply a light coat of oil to the tools. This will help to prevent future rusting and keep them in good condition. With this simple treatment, you can restore your tools and significantly extend their lifespan. Regular maintenance will keep your garden tools in top condition, ready for use whenever you need them. Once again, vinegar comes to the rescue, proving to be an essential item in any gardener's toolkit. Let's enhance the beauty of acid-loving plants like hydrangeas and azaleas. These plants thrive in acidic soil, which helps them produce vibrant and colourful blooms. Vinegar can help lower soil pH, creating an ideal environment for these plants to flourish. Testing your soil pH is the first step to ensure it's within the optimal range. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of water. This simple solution can be easily prepared at home and is cost-effective. Water your plants with this solution once a month during the growing season. Regular application will help maintain the desired soil acidity. Monitor your plants for signs of stress and adjust as needed. Look for yellowing leaves or stunted growth, which may indicate an imbalance. Use vinegar in moderation to avoid overly acidic soil. It's important to strike a balance to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Enjoy vibrant blooms with this simple vinegar hack. With a little care and attention, your garden will be bursting with colour. Happy gardening. Finally, let's boost seed germination with vinegar. Vinegar softens the tough outer layer of seeds, aiding germination. Mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Soak seeds for 24 hours before planting. Rinse seeds thoroughly before planting. Notice faster and more uniform sprouting. Improve your seed starting success with vinegar. That's a wrap! 5 simple, effective and budget-friendly ways to use vinegar in your garden. Who knew this humble household staple could be so versatile? Incorporate natural solutions like vinegar to minimize chemicals and save money. Reach for that bottle of vinegar for your next gardening challenge. You might be surprised at what you can achieve.